Time to unbox the Buccaneer. Love the presentation. That's what I'm hoping to achieve at the end of it. So let's just get on and unbox it and see what's inside. I removed the cellophane and taken off the lid, and there you quite clearly see the box of all my bits and the instructions. It says continue to remove these and see what we've got. This has to be one of my favourite parts of these kits. I love the way they're presented in the little box and everything I need to continue my build. And underneath that was a paint chart for all the different models with all the different colours that I could potentially be using. And there's the box completely opened up. You can see the strips of wood that I need and the instructions. Clear, detailed, simple. Exactly what I need. Yeah, really like the quality of these. Sails and cotton, all ready for assembly. Strips of wood all bundled together. And a few laser cut pieces for my skeleton and to get me started building the boat.